Good afternoon, Internet. This is a BENELLI Imperiale 400, and the front brakes are not really nice. So what I did is first I googled all the brakes that were available, and I tried the EBC FA196HH, of course one of the best brake pads, but it didn't fit. So I googled again and I found these brakes. So this is from BREMBO 07KS07SA, as you can see, and they fit. So now I'm gonna tell you how to do it. It's very easy. So I already loosened this bolt, of course. You take out this bolt. There's one. These brakes are really noisy on low speed. I don't think they're very good quality. So now we take this one and this one. That's one. And that's two. Opa. So now they fit, but I take a little bit of Vaseline and very minor. Because of all the paint. And there we go. No need to have very tight, just click like that, it's okay. So now you can clearly see that it fits. There. And if somebody is interested, these are the sizes that you need to find on the internet, because the EBC doesn't fit. I hope this helped. It's quite a nice little bike. The children like it very much. It's quite nice. Good day.